Here we have a 1955 Packard 400. Packard released their 400 models in 1955 as their top-of-the-range flagship. During the pre-World War II era, Packard was synonymous with the highest level of American luxury and were the main rival for Cadillac in the market. Following World War II, Packard began feeling the pinch financially, so they pulled all their resources together to create a model to save the mark, the 400. This was the last model Packard ever produced. This model featured an Ultramatic push-button automatic transmission, air conditioning, height adjustable rear suspension and a 5.8 litre V8 which produced 260 brake horsepower. It's the last of the model and they've left the best to last.